Hey guys, it's me, Tammy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I'm so excited. I have a couple things to show you today. I'm sure you read by the title what we're doing. I have not seen it yet. My husband actually opened the box because he was expecting something for himself. And so it's not a true unboxing, but whatever, who needs to see me open a box? And then I wanted to show you two pairs of earrings that I got. Let me put them over here for right now. So let me just start by saying how incredibly preciously sweet my husband is. I had been eyeing this purse since I first saw it. It had come in a range of colors. They had black, they had a dark pink, they had different colors. I got the pink one. It's right after Christmas. So I'm telling my husband, I'm like, Coach is having a sale at 75% off. And he's like, okay, great. Anyway, so he ordered this without my knowledge, and I'm so excited. So it came like this. It came in a big, just regular brown box, and then it's wrapped up like this. I don't know what it is with me and pink, like Coach bags, because the other bag that I had gotten from Coach recently, was pink as well. So maybe I just like their pink. I don't know. Got it, like I said, 75% off. So it's originally $350, and it is from, I don't know if this is from Coach or Coach Outlet. I'm not sure. I want to say it came from the Coach Outlet online. But it is the Kisslock, and this is what drew me to the bag because it's so stinking precious. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know I have a lot of Louis Vuitton, and, well, I have one Gucci and one Burberry, but like higher end brands like that I usually only buy on the resale market because they're so expensive. But that doesn't mean that you don't want a new bag every now and again, you know? Look. Guys. My gosh, this speaks to my grandma heart. I cannot. Oh, look how cute. It was the balls for me, y'all. When I saw them, I was like, I love this and have to have it. It's so retro and so adorable. Let's see, let's take this wrapper off. We can do that. So it comes with this chain. Let's get it out of here. So there's like a pretty light chain, so I don't think it'll be too heavy. I mean, it's sturdy, it's like good, but so let's put her together. And guys, I know that I look like put together on the top, but I'm literally wearing sweatpants on the bottom, so I'll insert a picture of me in like proper pants so you can see where it hits. But I was so excited. I was like, I cannot believe he did it. And he actually tried to play me and act like he didn't get it, because I was like, I would watch it and it would get sold out, and watch it and it would get sold out again and again. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's sold out. And my husband said, well, sucks to be you. And I was like, you ordered it, didn't you? And he did order it. He's such a sweetheart. So, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with her. I mean, honestly, it might as well be like a Louis Vuitton bag to me because she is cute. I think it came to like $87 total. So let me give you guys a good look. Now, obviously, it's a crossbody. I guess you could clutch it though if you wanted to. I don't know that I would clutch it. I would probably just wear it as a crossbody, but it has a little tag. He's so cute. I don't know. You know, I have been browsing the Coach websites now because I had kind of written them off as like an early 2000s kind of bag, but they have some really cool bags. So they have like boy bags. They have like artist bags where people, you know, they take famous art and draw on them. Not draw on them, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm stoked. Like, I'm totally here for Coach bag. But anyway, let me show you these earrings. Aren't they precious? These are Christiansirano, and I don't think I have anything from him, But this was the box. Came from T.JMaxx. They were $6. Guys, $6. I have bangs now. It's taking me a minute to get used to them. And then I got these also are Christiansirano. Oh my gosh, that probably would have went a lot better with what I have on the top because we know I'm wearing sweats on the bottom. Look how precious. $6 at T.JMaxx. And then Pat McGrath Labs, it's the makeup company, they were having a sale on their lipsticks. So I had actually ordered a lipstick from them because if you don't know anything about them, they're rather pricey. The cost of their lipstick is the same as Chanel. So I hadn't bought anything from them. They had a sale. They were like $12 and I thought, okay, I'll buy one. It hasn't gotten here yet. I was going to put it in this this little mini haul video for you guys, but I'm a little curious about that. I've seen some on like Facebook reviews about them, so I think it's an older product, which would make sense if it was, you know, if they're selling it for $12. So I'm hoping we're not going to have another like Jaclyn Hill scandal. That would be bad. Plus, I really, really hope it's a good product because I've been following her for years and I watch Anel, Alexandra Anel on here. She's perfect. If you want to learn about makeup, go watch her. But anyway, I digress. That's the mini haul. I'm loving her. I'm so excited. Oh, and what you want to put in if you want to get a bag like this, it's called the Kisslock. So when you go to coach.com or coachoutlet.com, in the little search bar, put Kisslock and the bags will come up. So anyway, enjoy your day, guys. Love you. God bless. Okay, so we're all family. I just thought I'd show you where it hits. There's the sweats. I don't know what the point of that was, but anyway, this is where it hits for me. So love you guys.